All right, all you liquid IV lovers out there, check this flavor out. Firecracker. Popsicle brand Firecracker. We called it Bomb Popsicle when we were kids, but you get the gist of it. These liquid IV packets are amazing. You get 16 in this bag. They come just like this, and each packet goes right into a bottle of water, which just makes it so convenient. So I'm going to throw this in here right now. Okay. Oops, I spilled a little. Sorry about that. All right, mix it up. And this tastes just like a Bomb Pop. It is so good. Tastes exactly like that popsicle that we all loved when we were kids. And the best part about this is this has 100% daily value of your vitamin Bs, B3, B5, B6, and B12. It also has niacin, vitamin C, and potassium. So this truly is a great way to get your electrolytes and stay hydrated while tasting something that is wonderful. Click that shopping cart, grab yours today.